Hello everyone, we have here a nice algebra problem similar to one of those SAT problems. If a minus b equals b plus c equals 4, what is the value of a minus b cubed minus b plus c squared divided by a plus c? So we have a minus b, that is 4, and b plus c is the same 4. And if we add these both equations, we ended up canceling the b, since b minus b here and plus b over here. So we have a minus b plus c equals 4 plus 4, that's 8. So we cancel b. So we have a plus c equals 8. So we have the value of a plus c is 8, that's the denominator. And we have here a minus b, we have this 4, and b plus c is 4. So we substitute. So a minus b cubed, that is 4 cubed. So that is 4 cubed minus b plus c, where b plus c is 4, is same 4. So that is 4 squared divided by a plus c, where a plus c is 8. So this becomes, factor out 4 squared. So this is now 4 squared times the quantity 4 minus 1 divided by 8. And this is equal to 4 squared is 16 times the quantity 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Final answer. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone. I will see you in the next video. Bye.